In my previous video, we were talking on how to take measurements of current, voltages, and the requirements, all the necessary measurements that are needed in solar system before you can run your connection. So I found out that from people's comments and reply, they made me to understand that most of them don't know how to use multimeter in taking the voltages from the panel and also the current that flows. But in my videos, I detailed most of them, but today I want to practically show you how you can read your voltage whenever you finish your connections on top of the roof. Just you can see from the panel, we have connected all of them and send them to the place of installation. Here is our workspace for now. So from here, from our diagram, you can see how we followed it from the sun to the panel, from the panel to charge controller, from charge controller to the inverter. So these are the things we have been able to establish. In this workspace, I want to show you how you can use your multimeter. This is actually clamp meter. Why is it multimeter? It is a multimeter because it has the ability to measure voltage, current, frequency, and many other, including the temperature of the environment and of the system. So that is why we have this. Then for us to use this, we need to select it by first of all turning it on. If you look at this, you see select. You look at this, this is off. We can select anywhere we feel like. Now I want to measure the voltage of the panel, so I have to bring it to voltage. Remember, this meter measures both AC and DC volts. So that volts. Why? Because the panel is direct current or direct voltage. That's why it is DC. From here you see the symbols. This is AC symbol. This is AC symbol. This is DC symbol. So look at this. This is AC voltage symbol, like the waveform. Then we have this. Then after that, now it is in DC. So in this DC, we are going to make it 0. It is at 0. Now we can measure whatever thing we want to measure. So let me now take the voltages.